Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Sea Ray 2020 290 Sundeck. It's a phenomenal boat. As you can see, the colors on it, it's got docking lights, the black and white two-tone on it. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 290. Start at the back of the boat. It's powered by the brand new 2020 Mercury Verados twin 250s. Phenomenal power for this boat. Gets it right on plane, gets you a good top end on it as well. You've got a sun pad on the back that's very comfortable. Huge storage in there. You can put fishing poles and skis and tubes and any other kind of toys that you want. Plenty of room to keep it back there. And as we move on to the boat, we've got a really nice L-shaped seating. So it goes, you can put a half a dozen adults very comfortably, cooler underneath. Back on this side, we've got a little prep area with a sink, a refrigerator, more nice storage under the seat here. Very comfortable forward-facing seat or reverse lounging as well. So very versatile seat. We've got the head. We've got the pump-out head, so you've got plenty of room down there. It's got a little window in there, so nice head area. And then the helm area, you've got the Simrad recess, and we also have the joystick. Phenomenal. I can dock this boat anywhere, anytime, any condition. Sideways, you name it. It's got autopilot on it. It's got sky hook, locks it in. Great for sitting on the sunset, pointed right at the sun. And we finish up at the bow. You got a windlass up here. You got a nice U-shaped seating again. It's got a filler cushion that goes in there. You got armrests for the lounges, rails on the hands. The boat does everything well. So if you have any questions on it or need more information, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194. And don't forget to sign up for our YouTube channel.